As the company grows, so does its materials store. It demands more and more space, and particularly more time to manage it. A sheer unlimited number of items, shelves, racks, and workshop wagons makes it difficult to keep track of the inventory. Ordering and managing the materials requires a lot of effort, and it may happen that an item is no longer available. Then your production may come to a standstill. Now that's come to an end. Don't lose any more time in looking for and managing any item. Our structured solutions are here to improve your efficiency. You can now create reliable processes and save your time for other important things. ORSY stands for Order with System. Our solutions help you to store, manage and order items easily, always following the same principle and same order. The ORSY shelves are planned specifically to suit your range of products. Our employees will also restock and reorder the items for you, and will also ensure that the shelves are spotless. Our ORSY packaging is the core element of the entire system. It's highly practical, as the color-coding system marks the processing and the corresponding bit. Materials management is even easier with our barcode scanner. Simply scan the barcode of the item you wish to reorder. The Würth Scanner is connected with your PC, and the scanned item will land directly in the shopping cart of our online shop. Just check and order and you're sorted. ORSY Push goes one step further. As soon as you remove an item, the shelf automatically triggers a reorder using a sensor technology. All this without a scanner. ORSY Mat vending machines are another convincing solution. All the 5 models store MRO articles efficiently and automatically reorder them when consumed. The goods are issued securely for absolute transparency. For storing a wide range of auxiliary and operating equipment, we offer ORSY Crib, an automated in-house store based on ORSY shelves. Practically an ORSY Mat, but on a large scale. Order with System also on the road. That's ensured by our vehicle equipment ORSY Mobil. Your mobile workshop is filled with cases and boxes which are tailor-made for your vehicle. Equally flexible is our system case, which can be kept not just in the van. It has a modular design and fits almost everywhere. A real space saver is our system box ORSY Bull. By stacking and locking, the boxes can be converted into a workbench in no time. Last but not least, ORSY offers smart solutions for hazardous substances, such as the reusable refiller mat system for the refilling of spray cans. Structured materials management, major time saver, reliability and transparency. This best sums up storage management from Würth Industrie Service.